Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you all are doing great and having a very wonderful time. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty God. My name is Porosh. I'm a student as well as an English video creator. I love to make English videos and I love to share my skills with people. I have been learning English for the last 6 months. That's why now I can speak English confidently and comfortably, although I am not fluent, and I know this very wellly. If I want to be a fluent speaker, then I need to practice my English every single day. As a result, for practicing my English, now I have come here. It's just 7 a.m. and right now I am here at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park. It's not far away from my home. It's just 10-minute walk away from home. That's why in the morning I have come here and now I am just trying to record a video. Last night I thought that I have option for practicing my English, and I think this lake is really beautiful. If I come here and describe the beauty of this park, it will be very helpful for me to practice my English as well as get some fresh air. And this morning fresh air looks very, comfortable, and I'm really enjoying now. Okay, and the park looks really beautiful. Just look at this. This is the view of this park, and I am actually watching so many people come here, and they mainly come here to take morning walk. There are so many people here. They just come here and walking around this park. Okay, and it's really a great option for them to come here and take some morning walk. Okay, so last week it was a super busy week for me. I'm a student, so I always busy with my work, with my study. I have some tuition as well, so that's why last week I didn't have that much time to come this type of place and practice my English. But as it's Friday, so that's why I have come here and now I am practicing my English. And I think if I want to be a fluent speaker, then practice is must. And for that reason, every day I'm trying to speak English in front of camera. I'm trying to record some video and upload them on my Facebook page, on my YouTube channel. And so many people nowadays, they actually encourage me, and they actually really, they enjoy to watch my English video, and that's really what matters for me. Okay, so if I tell you about this park, just look at the view behind me. It looks really attractive. Well, so it's a bit shiny day. The current weather temperature is above average. Last 5 or 7 days it's been a very hot and humid. It's all over Bangladesh, not only in Narayanganj. Okay, so that's why it's really tough to lead our comfortable life. But no, we have nothing to do. Electricity is also a problem for us. Sometimes electricity come and then it has gone again. So that's why our life now, it's like I don't know what can I describe this. Well, so yeah, that's the thing, and this is the way how I practice English regularly. I don't need, a lot of people ask me, brother, how you make your English video. Well, if you also have this question, then I want to give you the answer, and the answer I would say, uh, I don't select any kind of topic. I just open my camera and tell whatever I want, and that's a simple way to practice my English. Okay, so just look at this. This is the view of our Sheikh Russell Nagar Park. It's the most attractive place, and I think it's one of the best place in Narayanganj. Okay, people get a chance to come here in the morning, in the afternoon, and enjoy their beautiful time. And you can say I'm also come here randomly. Sometimes I come here along with some of my friends, and sometimes I come here alone for practicing my English. So really nice and really beautiful morning. Okay, and I'm feeling drowsy now because last night I went for sleep like around 12:30 a.m. So that's why now I'm feeling asleep. I think after finish this video, then I will go home and then I will take a sleep. Okay, so yeah, if you want, you can also practice your English like in this way, the way I'm doing now. I hope you are practicing English regularly, and you are also trying to learn English perfectly. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best. Take care of yourself. Bye for now. Have a great day to all of you.